Guam in the 1950s and 60s saw an explosion of Chamorro musical talent. Almost all of these bands and individuals, however, performed in English, covering popular American songs. One group that defied this trend was the Charfauros brothers from the village of Hogan. Jesus Charfauros, the oldest, was the main composer for the group, with his brothers Ike and Tommy and their cousin Victor Cruz playing and singing. In response to the post-war pressures for Chamorros to stop speaking their native tongue, the Charfauros brothers chose to proudly and loudly continue to sing in Chamorro. The Charfauros brothers would record 2 albums in 1974 and 1976. After opening their own local recording studio in 1973, they went on to record and produce albums for Flora Bazacuan, J.D. Crutch, and others. They also went on to release 2 compilation albums titled Mezcla Uno and Mezcla Dos that featured popular musical voices of the 70s, such as the Regis brothers, Jess Rivera, Terry Rojas, and Mike LaGuatner. The Charfauros brothers would also play a pioneering role in supporting Chamorro language on the radio. From the 1970s to 1990s, with Programa en Samorita, Programa en Conversacion, they not only promoted Chamorro music, but Chamorro talk radio as well.